Well, oh, what are we gonna call it? Well, I don't even know. Well, hello world. It's Kami Diet, and thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So for today's video, no idea what we're gonna call it, but we are gonna be taking a turn since my last video was kind of bright with that pink fuchsia color. So today I thought we'd use some browns, maybe golds, maybe some blacks. We're gonna do warm tone, maybe cool tone. We're gonna do something that's not colorful. But yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. I swear when I go like this, it's like, okay, you got something. But then when I do this, it's like, oh my gosh, what happened to her eye? But this is what we're gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna dive into the Morphe 35M palette, and I'm gonna use my Sigma E40 blending brush, and I'm gonna go in the shade Play It Cool. And I'm gonna put this in my crease and my transition, area. I'm just gonna go all the way to my inner and outer. In my crease, like I said, crease, transition. I'm not being very careful with this, just being super sloppy. No precision, like I said, just blend. Take some right here on the outer corner and blend up. Circular motions, and take this into the inner corner, like right here. And I'm just blending that shade out. I mean, this is a pretty simple look other than the black. The black is the tricky part because you don't want to put too much, because then you end up like looking like a raccoon. Like low-key, I'm almost there. But not quite. Then I'm going to take the shade Peachy Keen, and I'm going to put this more on the outer corner and crease area, like right here. And I'm using the same brush. I'm just blending away. And because we can, we're going to take that same E40 blending brush, and we're going to go into the same palette and grab the shade Talk Dirty. It's just more of a deeper brown shade. And I'm going to put this in the outer corner of my eye. And I'm just going to focus this more on the outer corner. I'm going to take my Luxie 131 brush, and I'm going to take that black shade in the palette. It's called Black Magic. Yes. And I'm going to put this on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm going to kind of bring it in to my lower lash line. The black is where you have to be careful because, like I said, you can easily make this into raccoon eyes. Very easy. And you just use a little bit of black at a time so that it doesn't get out of control. You just go. And I am putting this on my outer corner of my eye. I'm just kind of like stamping it right there. I'm going to take this other Luxie brush, it's a 141, and I am going to blend it out. And I also kind of get this just fluffy brush and just do one of these numbers. And then for my lid shade, I'm going to take my Sigma E56, and I'm going to take, what's that shade? Hot Stuff. And I'm usually cut my crease, but today I'm not going to do that because I don't want it to be, I don't want it to stand out too much, but I want a little something there. So I'm just going to run this in. Like, I'm not even gonna spray my brush with any setting spray or anything like that. I'm just gonna go in so you can have a little bit of something there so it's not all matte, but I really don't want this to be the focus of the look. I mean, this highlight though, like, I'm liking it. It's the Amrezy Highlight. Whatever I don't mention in the video, I will have it listed down below in the description bar. And then I'm going to go back in with Peachy Keen, and I'm going to wing it out, wing the eyeshadow out like this. Then for my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with a flat definer brush, and this is my Sigma E15. And I'm going to take this purple shade. It's called Transformer. And I'm going to put this in my lower, what is it called? My waterline, sorry. I'm going to put this in my waterline just so it could be like a different color. Not that it's too much. Ooh, I got this on my eyeball. My pore contact. Not that it's that. I thought it was going to be lighter than a black where you can see that it's more purple, but it's really not. But since I did it on the other eye, I'm going to do it to this eye. Okay, then I'm going to go back in with Black Magic on the black definer, on the flat definer brush, and I'm going to apply this. Let me get closer. Sorry, to my lower lash line. Then I am going to buff the shade out. Like I said, this is where you gotta be very careful. This black eyeshadow be tricky sometimes. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe, what is this, E18. I'm gonna go back in with Peachy Keen, and I'm going to further diffuse this black shade so it's not like crazy. But before I finish, I'm gonna apply some of that glitter shade, Hot Stuff, to my inner corner right here at the bottom. And I must say, this palette doesn't have that much fallout. And you just build up the colors. You don't want to go too much at one time because then it's gonna look just ridiculous. You don't want to look ridiculous. That's not the look you're trying to go for. Let's see, where's that brush? Then I'm going to go back in with my E40 brush, and I'm going to take the shade, it's a lot of shades, Vampy Vixen, just a little bit, not too much, and I'm going to apply this right here. Okay, so I'm going to do my lashes off of camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and I just applied some Rimmel Lash Accelerator to my bottom lashes. And and my lashes are Kiss lashes in the style Corset. But now we're gonna go in with for our lips, and I'm gonna take this Smashbox Lippy in, I think it's Stay Neutral. Yeah, this is definitely better than some of the other options I had put on. Like, all my other nudes were more pinky nudes, and it just wasn't looking nice at all. It just looked really weird. So I forgot to do my inner corner highlight, and I'm just going in with Amrezy, the Anastasia highlighter, and I'm just applying this to my inner corners, and then I'm going to put this as my brow bone highlight as well. I'm just going over my highlight right here, because when I was taking off the lippies, a lot of the highlight came off. Okay guys, so this completes the look. It is very toned down compared to my last video where I did the cut crease using the James Charles palette. If you haven't seen it, I'll go ahead and link the video right now where you can click it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Since you made it this far, you might as well subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and comment, share this video with everyone and anyone, and until next time. Bye guys! It's gonna be beautiful. I think. I hope. Okay, but why do I look like I have a black eye? That's not the look that I was going for.